Chair pose is a great opportunity to strengthen your quadriceps. Those are your thigh muscles. It's also known as a squat. I do think chair pose sounds a little less intimidating. But did you know chair pose can also be an opportunity to challenge your balance, albeit perhaps a little less of a challenge than some of our other standing balance poses. But if you're working with new yogis, perhaps with seniors or others whose balance is a little shaky, this can be a great opportunity to challenge their balance. You'll start with a chair in front of you, and then you're going to imagine that there's a chair behind you. Your feet will be about hip width distance apart, hands on the chair, and then sit in your imaginary chair. I usually have folks do that a few times. Just kind of warm up those knees a little bit. Get that synovial fluid moving around in the knees. All right, and then we'll come and we'll stay in our chair. I keep a nice neutral spine here, so I'm not rounding, I'm not tucking my tailbone. I'm standing with a neutral spine and I'm sitting in an imaginary chair. To challenge your balance, you could take one hand off, maybe both hands off, maybe, and I don't think you can see on the video, maybe you lift your toes off the ground. Maybe you put your toes back down and lift your heels off the ground. Both of those movements with the feet, of course, could be done with the hands lightly on the chair. And if all of this was too easy, perhaps you try a different standing balance pose, of which I have many videos. So once you've challenged it, if it's been a challenge, you can then slowly start to stand back up. That's chair pose with a chair as a way to challenge your balance.